Welcome back. In the last segment of our lesson, we looked at finding the square root of numbers that are not square numbers. Okay, now how do we build a bridge from there to Pythagoras, and where do we make sense of all of this? Well, if you are given a triangle that uses numbers that are not square numbers, then you will need to know how to estimate, okay? So let's have a look at a triangle now. We will use this as an example. Remember, Pythagoras deals with right angle triangles. This is a right angle. It is 90 degrees, okay? Now, this triangle has measurements of, let's say the base is 5 and the height here is 4, okay? So Pythagoras theory, again, we are going to look for the hypotenuse because that is unknown. A square is equal to b square plus c square. Okay, substitute our values here from the triangle into your formula. Okay, a square equal to 5 squared plus 4 squared. Okay, a square is equal to 5 squared is 25 plus 4 squared is 16. Okay, a square is equal to 25 plus 16 is 41. Okay, and a is equal to the root of 41. Okay, root of 41. This is not a square number. How do we find that answer without using a calculator? Okay, we've already learned how to estimate, so that's what we are going to do to find the length of the hypotenuse. Okay, so let's see. Square root of 41. We need to identify two square numbers that occur before 41 and after 41. So the first one is 6 times 6, which is 36. Okay, and 7 times 7, which is 49. Okay, now we're going to add the square root of both those square numbers. So root of 36 plus the root of 49 divided by 2 is equal to square root of 36 is 6 plus root of 49 is 7 divided by 2. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13 divided by 2, which is equal to 6.5. Okay, so our estimate for the length of the hypotenuse is 6.5 units. Okay, that's our answer. So now you can see how we relate estimating the square root of numbers that are not square roots to how we can find the hypotenuse or even the shorter sides here if the number is not a square number. Okay, I hope you had fun learning this. I'll see you in the next lesson where we are going to look at how we apply Pythagoras to everyday activities.